The U.S. Department of Education says teachers must be provided with student comprehension information that is both timely and relevant to assess their students' learning needs and impact their instructional decisions. The competitive landscape for tuition dollars in higher education is strengthening, causing universities to continuously evolve and provide the best educational experience possible. Today, students are more technologically oriented than ever before and live their lives electronically, forming a paperless generation. To help universities keep pace with the changing higher education strategies, Como Height Vision is proud to introduce its latest offering in their impressive line of audience response systems, the QRF900. The QRF900 is a radio frequency-based polling technology that allows teachers to instantly receive feedback from their students, allowing them to quickly understand the effectiveness of their instruction. Students are issued compact portable handsets that allow them to actively participate in course lectures, creating an active learning experience, as opposed to passive observation of the lecture. Active learning dramatically increases information retention, and instant polling of the class lets teachers know when it's time to move on or if more attention is needed on the current subject matter. Easy-to-use software interfaces allow the teacher to easily create and manage testing content using standard software applications such as PowerPoint and Excel.
Content creation within the Qclick software is very easy. Not only is the content creation easy, but the setup right before your content creation is also very simple. You would simply just plug in your dongle. Now, many people use a PowerPoint, and if you're working from PowerPoint, you're simply going to convert it with our setup button within the software, and any existing slides that you have are automatically going to convert into our software, making it very easy to use. The instructor saves a tremendous amount of time because we can work from an existing framework. The learning curve is also very, very short. If you have Excel files, you can easily import them, and those will also convert at a click of a button, and they'll load as our slides as well, easy to use, and you can quickly start to ask questions from there. In terms of inputting text or alphanumeric responses, our keypad is very unique. What you're able to do is your short answer multiple choice. When you're keying in an A through J answer, you can do that simply on the keypad. The same keypad serves as your text input, including the entire alphabet, so A through Z, as well as a numeric response. We have 10 different activity modes, and I may have mentioned that we have them categorized in 3 areas, in the testing, gaming, as well as ad hoc modes. So you can have something as familiar as your multiple choice questions with one answer, or your multiple choice question allowing for more than one correct answer. You can have what we call our rush quiz mode. That's similar to almost like a Jeopardy, where the first person to respond clicks in, their name appears on the screen. It creates a very fun and almost healthy competitive environment for the students. Now, this can be done in the classroom in a large lecture hall. It can also be done off-site. If, for example, you would like to take your participants or your students on a field trip or go to a museum, they have the remotes in their hands with the questions on the screen. Once you conduct a quiz using our Qclick software, you'll be able to see some instant reports, bar charts that allow you to see the performance and the responses of the students. And using this information, a teacher has immediate response from their student body, and you can make decisions whether to move forward with the material or whether to repeat a material. So it's allowing us to take the time that a teacher has with the students and make it that much more effective. Instant, immediate results is really the power of where an audience response system lies. In the software, we provide you with a full tab that's just dedicated to reporting. Outside of your instant reports, you can also generate queries based on each particular student, a class as a whole, an entire theme. You can tie these to standards as well and evaluate performance. So it's very impactful and very powerful. You're able to generate progress reports as well as a final grade at the end of the year with our gradebook that comes incorporated at no additional cost. It's very similar to a textbook. So a student goes to the library, purchases their unit, they can keep it for the entire year. Then at the end of the year, they can of course return it, and a new student the next year can pick it up. However, the only difference is that this same clicker can be used for multiple classes. So you can take the unit from one class to another, getting full use of the unit. It's a great investment. And then when you're done using it after your enrollment at the university, simply return it to your local bookstore. Research tells us that students actually score a full grade level higher once you begin to use an audience response system. So when you're looking at these units, consider effectiveness in the classroom, improve students' results, the time that it saves to the instructors, the fact that there are no implementation costs to the university.
The QRF900 brings together state-of-the-art educational technology, which today's student has come to expect, with ease of operation and improved workflows that increase the efficiency of university faculty. If you would like to take a closer look at how the QRF900 audience response system can help your higher education institution make the grade in recruiting and student retention, contact your Como Height Vision sales representative or contact Como directly to find a dealer near you.